How do you improvise the mysterious phenomena of the universe? How to use right-hand arpeggios? Think of an eclipse, a light and shadow, movement but also stillness. Have a listen. By the way, you can find the full performance in a separate video, I'll link it in the description. So, in this video I want to show you how to build this kind of mysterious static piano improvisation step by step. First step, arpeggio in the right hand, with a very simple but powerful idea. Second step, we will expand these arpeggios into melodic shapes. And third step, we'll look at a calm but interesting left-hand accompaniment. First step, let's start with the foundation, arpeggios in the right hand. The chord progression we'll use is E minor, A minor, D major and C major. Now, here's the key idea. When I play an arpeggio in the right hand on each chord, E minor, my thumb does not change its position within that chord, like this. This is E minor. Let's go to another variation of E minor. This is my right hand, and we change like this. Let's go to A minor. My thumb does not change its position. Or this one. Let's go to D major. Or this position. Or C major. Or this one. This creates stability and a very natural flow, which is perfect for calm, mysterious improvisation. Let's add the left hand with the chords. Let's go to A minor, D major and C major. Listen to how this already creates a sense of a movement even without doing anything complicated. By the way, if you enjoy improvising emotionally, I've created a free download with 10 tips for emotional piano improvisation. It is a short, practical guide you can apply immediately at the piano. A link is in the description. So, step 2. Adding melodic direction. Once the arpeggio feels comfortable, we can start adding melodic direction using the right hand. Instead of playing the pattern mechanically, like this, we can add certain notes, doubling them in octaves. Have a listen. Then A minor, D major, and then C major. The important thing is, don't rush, let the melody breathe. Find some variations of your melody on your own. So let's go to step 3. Let's talk about the left hand. For this style of improvisation, the left hand should feel grounded, calm and supportive. You can use, of course, simple structures, broken chords or slow arpeggios like this. But a beautiful variation is to start the left hand on the offbeat. Have a listen. On the beat, offbeat. A minor on the beat, A minor offbeat. Practice slow, starting with a single note. Then expand to simple arpeggios using the offbeat. A minor. This creates tension and keeps the music alive without becoming busy. I have a separate tutorial that focuses on this left-hand concept. A link is in the description. Now, let's put everything together. Right-hand arpeggios, melodic expansions, octave accents and a calm flowing left hand. I'll play an improvisation, adding a few extra variations along the way. Have a listen. Okay, let's stop here. If you enjoyed this kind of deep atmospheric improvisation, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you want to learn more about piano improvisation like this, feel free to subscribe. Improve your improvisations using the free download with 10 tips. The link is in the description. Now, learn to apply the left-hand arpeggios in the next video.